The 2026 GMC SAVANA 3500 arrives like a phoenix reborn from an asphalt comet, bending city light into a new dimension. From the street, the SAVANA wears purpose like armor, its proportions tall with a flat, commanding front and narrow LED headlamps that cut dusk. Broad shoulders flow into muscular wheel arches and heavy wheels, while clean flanks tame airflow and hint at sensible aerodynamics. The rear is upright and honest, with utilitarian doors and a presence equal parts mobile workshop and surreal stage. The cockpit stitches durable materials with smart geometry, placing tactile knobs and a driver-focused display within reach. The steering wheel feels solid and grippy, and the center console hosts a clear touchscreen with wireless mirroring. Controls are arranged to reduce fatigue through long shifts. Passenger layouts favor roomy practicality with bench or captain seat options, ample legroom, and easy access. Storage cubbies multiply around seats and materials prioritize durability over plushness. Even full configurations keep ingress and egress civilized. The SAVANA balances torque-first personality with steady power delivery, offering a V6 for efficiency and an optional V8 for heavy-duty work. Acceleration is deliberate and tuned for hauling. Handling is predictable and braking is confident for its mass. Engine options include a 4.3 liters V6 and an available 6.6 liters V8 that prioritize torque and longevity. This van sounds like honest machinery. Throttle tones are low and purposeful. The V8 deepens with load, and cabin insulation reduces road noise to a utilitarian hum. The soundtrack reinforces the vehicle's work-first character. Tech centers on a modern infotainment screen, smartphone integration, and a practical driver assist suite that includes collision mitigation and trailer-aware features. Over-the-air updates and logical menus make the system easy to live with. Fleet telematics and trailer-specific aids broaden usefulness for commercial buyers. Suspension is tuned for load-carrying stability with compliant damping that smooths long routes. Ergonomics focus on adjustability and simple climate controls that perform under heavy use. Fuel consumption is modest and depends on engine choice and payload. The V6 typically returns better real-world efficiency while the V8 maximizes towing capacity. Pros and cons. Pros: strong towing and payload, rugged build, practical interior. Cons: economy lags passenger vehicles, styling favors function, not luxury. Main rivals include the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 for refinement, the Ford Transit 350 for flexibility, and the Ram ProMaster 3500 for cargo value. The 2026 GMC SAVANA 3500 excels in durability and towing while conceding some finesse. Pricing is competitive in the commercial segment, insurance and service are predictable, and long-term reliability supports resale and value retention. The 2026 GMC SAVANA 3500 is a cinematic workhorse, rugged, honest, and quietly noble, the kind of van that carries both tools and stories and leaves a lingering sense of dependable power.